caught in a spontaneous yawn. Brace yourselves for an unexpected revelation. Contrary to popular belief, yawning isn't just a sign of sleepiness or boredom. Ready for the twist? Scientists suggest that yawning might be our body's unique method of cooling down our brain. That's right, a natural air conditioning system right within us. So the next time you yawn, it's potentially not about drowsiness. Your brain might just be calling for a refreshing breeze. Astounding, isn't it? Remember to tap the like button and subscribe for more surprising facts that will leave your mind spinning. Until the next one, stay curious.